Okay, so it's day 2 of 365, uploading a video every day. Today, gotta get this guy finished up. It's only be a few minutes. All we gotta do is some minor trimming, post heat, tuck and trim the hood. So there's only a few minutes worth of work there. Currently getting yesterday's video uploaded, which is day 1. So now we're on to day 2. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Might help if it's plugged in. Might help if it's plugged in. Doesn't help much if it's not. There we go. That's better. So this, yeah, always right as I'm about to start filming. That's when air compressors go off, right? So heat gun decided that it only wants to work on the high setting. So now I just have to work fast. It gives me no choice. There we go. We're winning. We're winning. Smack you.
Which side?
If you move over, you do that. Actually, I'm almost thinking, let's just stand them up like that for now. If we can get some cardboard, we'll lay them down and put cardboard in between each one. We'll just have to find some cardboard. So we just, do that, and then take this, put that on top of there. This one here, take the next sign. There's our other sign. Oh, this is the one that. And if they have that A ready for us, then we'll just do it in the van. Okay, now if we put like tools in between. Yeah, that works. Perfect. Next, grab some tool. Got that. Grab the torch. That guy can get hung up in the van. We'll need some white screws. awesome thing about mag straps. Just boom. Okay, you got those black screws that I have there. Let's see if she fell. Yeah, that fits pretty nice. I won't complain about that fit. I won't complain about that fit. Okay, so if you do about an inch and an inch, I'm gonna just hold this up just a little bit more. I want to go down just a little bit. Yeah, let's go right there. Perfect. Well, that's good. And then let's go to this side, do the same thing. No worries, the phone is okay after falling. This head neck mount thing only has so much magnetic strength. Just gonna pass you this other one right away too. Oh, that other one you should have left here. Yeah. Put it up right away. Yeah, I would try to get in that side first. Just go from there to our 22. Perfect. Forty, 42 and a half. Okay, do your corners. Alright, there we go. Signs are done. Just gotta do numbers on that pylon sign over there. Yeah, it's turned out really good. Super clean. White on black. Wood looks great. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna knock out a quick workout here. Edit this video so it can be up for tomorrow. That's day 2 of 365. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. 2 down, 364 to go.